What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create this kind of like spooky, grungy VHS effect. I thought it looked really creative and that's what we're going to be going over in this video together. By the way, real quick, my name is Gus. I run the Friendly File store in which I sell editing packs, presets and templates to help editors just like you level up their edits. So if you're interested in any of those things, you can check the link down in the description. Now let's get right into this. So we are now in After Effects. We have this Travis Scott and Saw Baby music video pulled up and we're about to get real grungy in here. So the first effect we're going to apply to give that kind of like grungy low quality look is obviously some noise. So let's drag in the effect noise onto the clip. And then we're going to increase the amount of noise to something like 40, something like that. And let's uncheck this box. And now we're going to add some blur on top of that. So that's what really sells the effect, because I feel like the grain is way too sharp here. So let's do Gaussian blur. It's my favorite blur. Let's drag it on there. Now we can increase it maybe to something like 10. Now let's look at what we have so far. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. Let's keep going. Now to make it look a bit more like low quality, we're gonna use posterized time to give it a low frame look. Let's use posterized time, drag it in there, and let's make it about 12 frames. Yeah, 12 frames per second. Fire. Oh yeah, that's hard. And then I think on top of that, we're going to use CC time to kind of give it like that VHS, that delayed look. It's all going to make sense. Let's drag it on. Now we might have a few adjustments to make. Let's look at what that looks like. Yeah, so I find that it looks a bit better when you put like the CC time there. So on top and then posterized time. And I think what we're going to do is the noise and the Gaussian blur. We're going to put these on there right here so that you really see like the noise. I think I'm just going to put like CC time on top right here. Let's look at what that looks like. Yeah, that's pretty fire. Now we want to give it a kind of like halation look, kind of seen like on film cameras. I'm going to show you my way of doing that, which is not the traditional way. Hey, don't judge me. I find that going to minimax in the effects and presets, when you drag that on, then we can increase it a little like this, and then the channel color, we're gonna make it red. And now as you can see, we get like this small halation effect. Let's look at what that looks like. All of that looks pretty nice, but now I'm going to put you onto some sauce, which is the NTSC plugin, which is a free VHS plugin. I think it looks pretty realistic. One of the most like realistic plugins. Let me put y'all on. Let's go. By the way, if you want the free plugin, I'll have it linked down below. Real quick, before we continue with this tutorial, I need to put you on to my brand new preset pack, New Wave FX V2. New Wave FX V2 allows you to get grungy effects, trippy effects, basically all of the effects you need to get that new wave aesthetic that you're gonna see from artists in the underground, artists like Che, Osama-san, D Savage, and many more. All of the presets are so easy to use as well. All you gotta do is drag and drop it on an adjustment layer and you have a crazy result. So if you're looking to level up your edits, this is definitely the pack to go with. I'll have it linked down in the description, and I even left you a code, which is GUS15. You can get 15% off just for listening to me. Yeah. Now let's get right back into the video. And now we're gonna drag it on. I think like, should we put it at the end or the beginning? Let's try that. Wow, it actually looks so fire like this. What the hell? I think I'm just gonna put it under like the posterized time, just over it. That way everything is in 12 frames per second. No, I think we're just gonna add a flicker effect. It always looks nice. But yeah, you guys can mess around with this plugin. This plugin is absolutely goated. It's crazy that it's free. So let's just do like exposure, and we're gonna put it at somewhere there. And then we're just gonna do alt click on the exposure, and let's type wiggle parentheses 12 comma, let's do like 0.7. Fire. Insane. Now let's have a look at our final result. So that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and if it brought you any value, please consider subscribing, and please let me know in the comments what type of tutorials you want to see next on this channel. I really want to flood you guys with some value and just like content in general, so please let me know so I can deliver. Also, if you want the best editing packs, you can check down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.